Do you want to know how to return your lifetime warranty with no hassles? Well, if you watch this video, I'm going to show you what to do. First, you must take apart your alternator if your alternator is your problem and your item you want to return for your lifetime warranty. Second, remove this little wire stator thing. I forget the technical term, but it has a bunch of copper wire in it. Third, you must mess around with these brushes. Look, brushes, yes, brushes. What you do is you put a small straw in blocking the brushes so it can no longer contact the commutator on the stator. Then you simply flip the tube so you cannot see it in the back. You reassemble. No voltage will be shown when alternator is tested. So you will get another alternator for free! Really? Anyway, voltage regulator, bridge rectifier. These two parts commonly go wrong in these CS144 alternators. I took it apart. I will not be replacing these parts. This is about $50. That is about $50. A new alternator costs only $20 more, so you know what to do. Anyway, we are taking apart the alternator for fun. We have nothing else to do. We'll be reassembling it. Why don't you look at that? It's a spinathon! Woo! 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 Turn the tire, it's $80. It's pretty cool. They're sold lightning fast. Air intakes, selling these $20 for all of them.